What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Hopefully you're staying safe out there. My name is Jim with Doesn't Pay Full Price, and today we are talking pigs in a blanket, but a much better version than you're gonna buy in the frozen section at your grocery store. Now, I originally filmed this video a few months ago, and I totally forgot about this recipe until I found all the ingredients. Still very accessible, but we're not gonna make regular pigs in a blanket. We're gonna step it up a notch. Some might even say, take it to the extreme. I wouldn't say that though, but it's still a really good version. It doesn't require much work, so stick with me. Alright, so for this recipe, you're gonna need cocktail wieners, some shredded cheese, one package of breadsticks or crescent rolls, and then a few jalapenos. Start by lightly flouring a work surface, and we're gonna take out these breadsticks. These are a little thick for my liking, so we're just gonna roll these out a little bit just to get them a little thinner. Separate these into a couple different pieces to make it easier to work with. If you opted for crescent rolls, you can skip this step. These breadsticks are just a little thick, so we're going to roll them out to be about 1/4 of an inch thick, just so they don't overpower the sausage. We're basically making a combination of jalapeno poppers and pigs in a blanket. Another option would be to substitute the shredded cheese for cream cheese if you wanted to go even more jalapeno popper. I'm just separating these breadsticks and cutting them down to be about 2-inch by 1-inch rectangular shapes, preferably rectangles. If you're using crescent rolls, just cut the triangles in half. It'll be fine. Shapes don't really matter at the end. Maybe while I'm cutting the rest of these, if you want to take a second and just hit that like button, maybe hit the bell, and then we can jump back into this. Take your jalapenos, cut them in half, and then take all the seeds out. Each jalapeno half I cut down to about 3 pieces. Take one of those jalapeno sections, add a nice pinch of shredded cheese, then take one of your cocktail wieners. Wieners? Sausages? Let's just call them sausages. We're going to do it one more time. So you take the breadstick. This dough is a little bit more pliable, so feel free to pull it just a little bit to make sure you have plenty of room to wrap. And then jalapeno, cheese, sausage, and wrap, and then just give it a nice pinch at the top so it doesn't come unwrapped. You can put these on a sheet tray and bake them if you want a crispier exterior. I like this method, so put them all in a casserole dish and make sure they're all touching. With this method, the cheese doesn't melt all over the place, and it kind of forms together to make a nice, like, soft, supple, pull-apart bread consistency with cheesy, sausagey jalapeno goodness. Add some more cheese on top, just for good measure. So we're going to put those in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And then when they emerge, just try one of these. That's that texture I'm talking about. Crispy, but then still soft. You should really probably try 2 to make sure they're good. This is going to be incredibly hot. You can see the steam coming off of that. Yep, too hot. But these are fantastic. There it is. Fair warning, if you leave these alone on the counter, they're going to disappear fast. Thanks for joining me for this quick recipe today. I'm Jim. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.